Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add vampire effect to photo in Capcut. And for example, I'm going to add vampire effect in this photo and how to just click effect in toolbar at the bottom and click body effect. So you can find vampire effect in Halloween. Just click this vampire like this, and we can adjust for color and then texture, all filter like this. So and then click OK. Can adjust for duration, and here we go. That's how to add vampire effect to photo in Capcut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and as your thanks.